What's up? What's up? What's up? See if anybody pops in here. Got home a little while ago from federal courthouse. And it's been a long day. I'll say that. And you can see I'm actually using my laptop for the first time, I believe. My phone was stolen and confiscated by the federal government, um, because I did record in the courtroom. So I was successful in that respect. But yeah, they snatched my phone and they're trying to get a warrant now to get into it, apparently. So I don't have my phone, which I need. Obviously, you guys know how important something like that is. It is kind of funny. Um, Overall, the trials were good. Jason went first, and then I went, and I'm gonna get the audio from it. Um, it was pretty wild, the whole thing. Um, the federal government admitted in their closing arguments that the building should be open to the public for the right to record. So that is definitely on the record, 100%. And it's just crazy. Uh, it's crazy that the judge found both of us guilty, and Plant, you guys, Officer Plant, who arrested us, because he testified that that is a federal property. The judge said, yeah, he said it, he testified to it. So the fact that you have the Secretary of State on video and a document proving that the federal government has never complied with New Hampshire RSA 123.1, which is required for them to receive jurisdiction and property ownership in New Hampshire, they just didn't care. So the prosecutor actually said during one of the little recesses, I don't believe this is going to be on the record, but he was asking us about the 123 argument and what we thought it meant. And he goes, well, those are just words on paper. I'm like, are you kidding me right now? It's just you got words on your shit is just words on paper too. It's unbelievable. So we do have appeals, right to appeals, and we do have the right to counsel on the appeals as well. Additionally, I got another ticket. Jesus. So I got the other disorderly ticket. Me and Gerhard both got disorderly tickets from our arraignments for being in the lobby recording. Now, yesterday when I went to the federal court building, and did that in the lobby, you guys saw that video. Hopefully, if you haven't, go see that. And it's not long. I went in there to check the poster and all that, and to see what was going on, and to ask them about the 123.1, the jurisdiction argument. And I ended up getting this ticket today because of that video in the lobby from yesterday. And then I don't know exactly what's going on with my phone being confiscated and the charges, but yeah, they're trying to get a warrant. I wasn't arrested or anything like that. The judge did say, I want to hold him in contempt, or you're in contempt, or something like that. And at that point, I was off my rocker. I don't even remember exactly what I said, but I was flipping out, and started recording. And that's when they told me, they're like, get out. And I was already leaving. And then one of them grabbed my phone. So I was able to turn it off. It doesn't matter. I'm not worried about it. Like, it's not like I'm trying to hide the fact that I recorded. So I'm going to try to get the phone back and I'll show them the video. This is the thing. Why didn't they confiscate this the first time? Why didn't they confiscate this the second time? Why didn't they confiscate this yesterday? Well, the second time and yesterday is because they're charging with disorderly conduct. It's a different charge. So they're going to say, who knows what they're going to say in their statement about what this alleged disorderly conduct is or was. And we've all seen the videos, and there's no like orders that you're being, loud, and you're being, there's no sort of anything from them about disorderly conduct. So why they're trying to charge disorderly conduct, I don't know. What did I disrupt? I didn't disrupt anything. Anyhow, what's up? Keeping the swine in line. Hey yo, Tyrant Hunter. So yeah, I have some video. I did run to my car and grab this and ran back up there to get it on the record. What was happening with my phone? You know what I mean? So the whole thing is a complete shit show, and there's no telling where it's gonna go. Obviously, we have the appeals, and this thing can 100% get kicked back down. That's basically the route that we're going to have to go. I'm also going to be looking into. I have to figure out something to be able to document these proceedings and file probably a temporary restraining order against the federal police, the Department of Homeland Security, and so I'm going to try to get the stuff off of here onto my laptop. I've never done that before. And edit it, stitch it all together, the different clips that I have from that. But yeah, that's what happened today. And obviously, I'll be going back there multiple times for these two disorderlies. And now I got to deal with this contempt situation. And the theft of my phone. Hey, yo, reminder, what's up, Flaw? So here's the thing, Flaw. Are you watching this? If you are now. So they confiscated my phone today, so you got to contact me on Telegram. I can still I can get messages on Telegram here on my laptop. And so they confiscated my phone. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to contact that person. Maybe I can send them an email. But yeah, so got a little bit of a situation with that. Lisa Johnson, what's going on? Thank you so much for your support. So yeah, I appreciate you guys and all your support, sharing this, getting the word out, just trying to expose the tyranny that we're facing, and how they don't care about words on paper, unless it's the ones that they want to tell us to obey or what they mean. And they refuse to acknowledge the plain meaning of words. And they misapply all these different things, and it's just gotten way too far. Nobody's stood up to it. Like, me and Jason have here on this thing, never mind all the other different things that we've engaged in with COVID protesting. This one right here, I mean, I already did all the state courts in the Supreme Court in the state. And I'm going to have to go back there and check with them, follow up on that as well. But this federal court thing and the lack of jurisdiction and the fact that they're refusing, number one, they refused to tell me what the jurisdiction was. I still don't know. They've never told me what the jurisdiction is. As far as I know, there's two jurisdictions. There's the common law, Seventh Amendment jurisdiction, and then there's the what is it? Article 1, Section 8, maritime administrative stuff, right? And the judge would only say it's not a common law court. That's it. She wouldn't say what the court was and what the jurisdiction was. So that's going to be another issue on the appeal. Never mind the physical jurisdiction, the property issue that has to happen on federal property, and then the compliance or non-compliance with New Hampshire RSA 123.1. So yeah, I went over to the State House after there was the defend the guard bill was going on. There was a ton of people. Most people were there, and some people actually had to leave my trial because it took forever. My trial was like 3 hours or something. Yeah, that's basically what I got for now. And hopefully I can get my phone back sooner than later. Who knows what they're going to do. Scott Little, shout out to Texas. You guys get that situation under control down there yet, or what? The world is crazy. All the things that we're dealing with, from the criminal migrants, immigrants, illegals, they're criminal people. It's just, and I have nothing against people coming here from other countries. Like my people emigrated from Ireland legally, right? We came over here legally, but I don't want to digress on that too much. But yeah, the world is pretty crazy, and we need this transparency, like the prosecutor agreed with me today, in the courthouse, and we should be allowed to record in the courthouse, and get the audio and video of all these hearings in the courthouse, whether it's January 6th stuff, all of it. People need to see what the hell is happening and how they're coming with these convictions, because I mean, you guys, you're going to have to just listen to the audio and, take my word for what I'm reporting, because there's no other way to show it. The feds hide under this veil of, some sort of privileged secrecy of public business in a public building. And we don't even know where the courthouse interior is, or the exterior. They were saying the whole building is the courthouse interior. So the courthouse interior to me is the courtroom where the judge is. And so they're saying everything, the whole building, even though it's two buildings connected, it's the Warren B. Rudman Courthouse and the Cleveland Federal Building. And the Cleveland Federal Building, the only way to get into it is through the courthouse entrance. There's only one entrance to get in. And so it's just crazy how they're doing this whole thing. I'm not going to keep you guys too much longer. It's basically the gist of it. So yeah, I'm ready to take a freaking nap. So let's see, how do we do this? End stream here. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated with any developments and any documents I receive. They did tell me that I will be getting a court date for the other disorderly, not this one from today, but they said I will be getting one. It's still, their rules say that we'll get it in 45 days, but of course it's been well beyond 45 days, and they don't care about following their rules. It's rules for thee and not for me. Right. Yeah, that's what we're doing here. That's what's going on. So, yep. Take it easy, and I'll update you soon. Thank you. End the stream. Yep.